again. This is deep, holy shit. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Two times, I should have known. How's it going today, guys? Welcome back to another moto vlog. It's a nice chilly one today. We're gonna be riding around, testing out my new finger throttle. As you guys have seen on the last video, I got that installed and done up. Got my nice heated gloves on because she is cold. But yeah, we're gonna be testing the new finger throttle. I'm out of town already and just kind of cracked a few wheelies, and I don't know, I'm still kind of on the fence if I even like it or not, but give her a bit of time, might get used to it. But yeah, I got her all hooked up and working good and sounding good, and we'll see how long we get out of these GoPro batteries. I don't know, no guarantees. See, I'm not quite used to the jumpiness of it and like just getting going yet, so give me a little bit of a break. I'm definitely not a newbie on a sled. I'm just getting used to a finger throttle. I'm used to a thumb throttle, right? So I'm not even sure if I like this quite yet or not. So, but I can always flip it around and run it this way if I don't like it. So yeah, we'll get some wheelies going here. It does feel nice though, like it's wheelie this whole thing. Not bad. Ooh. Bit of a hard drop, but not too bad. I'm trying to talk a little quieter, not be as loud, because on my last video it sounded pretty bad. Not bad. I'm getting less scared to hold my sled a little bit more wide open a little more often. Not like ridiculously long, but a little longer. Get those nice long wheelies. Also, shout out to my cousin, because I know he's watching this. Loyal ass viewer. Nothing like family. Sounding like Dom Toretto family. Whew, that was a little bit of a rough ride on the last section. And my brother said Polaris doesn't wheelie. Since when? Looks like a pretty easy wheelie to me. See how long we can crack a wheelie here. It looks like some nice softer snow the whole way. Hopefully soft anyways. Woo! That second hop. Honestly, I'm not minding this so far. Like, I might have to reposition it just a touch, like angle it up more, but honestly, actually, just give me one sec. Deflection's looking good on my belt. When setting deflection, you want the bottom of the ribs, like the bottom, how I kind of use on the rib. You want the bottom of the bottom of the rib to be flush with the outside of your clutch there. Readjust this quick because it's kind of annoying. Alrighty, got that all tightened and readjusted. Nice part about carrying tools, always carry tools with you. Alrighty, got that throttle readjusted. Now let's give a crack a nice wheelie off this or something. Little slide on that. Got a little friend. Oh, this is soft. See if we can get like a little re-entry off this. I'm gonna try to, I'll come out here even though I'm faced this way. Nice. Hell yeah. Honestly, there's some good snow. I'm not gonna lie. Alrighty, we're gonna cruise down here. I'm gonna pop the GoPro off real quick. And actually, I'm gonna leave it on here for a little bit. Oh, I was gonna say, what the hell? My oil light shouldn't be on. I was like pretty much full. Have to keep an eye on that. Oh, this looks very stumpy. I don't think I really want to mess around with this area. Holy! Getting ice going on here. Holy crap! I'm rusty with this throttle, holy, not rusty, I was never good with it, but amateur, the more the word I was looking for. Oh, that is hard. I want to try a side hill, just a little one, just to see what it feels like with this throttle. Ooh, that was ugly. Yeah, never mind. Let's just jump up here. Let's see what's on the other side of this. Nothing. Not a thing. Okay, I'm gonna pop the GoPro off and give it a little bit of a warm-up break, because I know it's probably gonna shut off here right away. Alrighty, we're at a nice new spot. There's actually quite a bit of snow here. I'm really hoping I can break through this, because if I can break through this, this is really deep here, so I'd be able to wheelie this for a good amount, as long as I can break through that crust. So, we'll give her a try, see what happens. No, crust is too hard, sadly. Like you do break through it sometimes, but not enough for it to be soft. Like if that was soft, holy crap. This is soft all along here. Oh yeah. Yeah. That one wasn't as cool, but not bad. Oh! Holy crap! I only did that because my skis crap, but still. Holy crap! Wow, pretty deep actually. I want to try something here. May or may not work. Oh my god, again. This is deep, holy shit. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Two times, I should have known. Dumbass. That was sketchy. Alrighty, I just had to take a little breather. I was a little out of breath. Back to riding again. And not getting stuck there. It's kind of cool. I jumped this in the summer. I'll put a little clip in. I'm pretty sure I have one. Jumped this little gap. Alrighty, I'm back home. Hopefully my mic isn't muffled too much. I have a bunny hug around my GoPro. My battery died and I was getting cold and the GoPro was getting cold and blah blah blah. So that's all I got for you guys on this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Like I said on the last video, I've been getting a few subscribers here and there and it feels absolutely amazing. So keep it up. I absolutely appreciate it and see you later.